Major Indus Valley Civilization sites explained: Amri, Kot Diji, Kalibangan and Mohenjo-daro. UGC NET Anthropology. Welcome to AnthroNet Academy, a study aligned with UGC NET Anthropology syllabus. Dear learners, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, AnthroNet Academy, to keep me motivated to create more content for you. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the subscribe button. And make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Gift on 1,000 subscribers. AnthroNet Academy is excited to announce a special gift for our viewers once we reach 1,000 subscribers. Why subscribe? We're bringing you the latest current affairs in anthropology, curated specifically for competitive exams. Stay updated with exam-oriented analysis, expert insights on recent developments, daily/weekly current affairs tailored for anthropology. Special surprise gift awaits all our early supporters once we hit 1K. Don't miss out. Subscribe now, be a part of our growing community, and take your anthropology preparation to the next level. You hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. AnthroNet Academy, your gateway to anthropology excellence. Major Indus Valley Civilization sites: Amri, Kot Diji, Kalibangan, Mohenjo-daro. Location: Amri, Sindh Province, Pakistan. Situated on the west bank of the Indus River. Importance: represents pre-Harappan culture. Shows transition from village settlements to urban Harappan culture. Discoveries: distinctive painted pottery, mud brick structures, agricultural evidence. Exam point: Amri culture is considered one of the earliest cultural phases leading to the mature Harappan civilization. Kot Diji. Location: Kot Diji, Sindh, Pakistan. Importance: important pre-Harappan settlement. Fortified settlement before mature Harappan phase. Discoveries: massive fortification wall. Pottery with geometric designs. Copper tools. Beads and ornaments. Exam point: Kot Diji culture immediately precedes the mature Harappan phase. Kalibangan. Location: Kalibangan, Hanumangarh district, Rajasthan. Excavators: B. Lal, B.K. Thapar. Important discoveries: fire altars, fortified citadel, planned streets, wells. Most important discovery: ploughed agricultural field. Exam point: first archaeological evidence of a ploughed field in the Indian subcontinent. Kalibangan is famous for fire altars, agricultural field remains. Mohenjo-daro. Location: Mohenjo-daro, Sindh, Pakistan. Meaning: mound of the dead. Excavator: R.D. Banerjee. Important discoveries: Great Bath. Most famous structure: waterproof brick construction. Granary: storage of food grains. Assembly hall: public gathering place. Drainage system: advanced urban sanitation. Famous artifacts: dancing girl, priest king sculpture. Exam point: best example of Harappan urban planning. Comparative table. Site present location cultural phase key discovery. Amri Pakistan pre-Harappan painted pottery. Kot Diji Pakistan Pre-Harappan Fortification. Kalibangan Rajasthan, India Early and Mature Harappan Ploughed Field, Fire Altars. Mohenjo-daro Pakistan Mature Harappan Great Bath. Anthropology Perspective. Cultural Evolution. Amri Rightward Arrow Early Village Culture. Kot Diji Rightward Arrow Proto-Urban Phase. Kalibangan Rightward Arrow Agricultural Expansion. Mohenjo-daro Rightward Arrow Urban Civilization. Anthropological Themes. Social Organization. Settlement Hierarchy. Agricultural Intensification. Craft Specialization. Urbanization Process. Most Important One-Liners. Amri Rightward Arrow Early Harappan Culture. Kot Diji Rightward Arrow Fortified Pre-Harappan Settlement. Kalibangan Rightward Arrow Ploughed Field and Fire Altars. Mohenjo-daro Rightward Arrow Great Bath and Dancing Girl. R.D. Banerjee discovered Mohenjo-daro. Kalibangan is located in Rajasthan. Thank you for watching. Stay connected.